Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at some individual names here, and I'm going to give my analysis and thought process, and you're going to walk away from this video with not only some new knowledge on technical analysis, but some profitable trade ideas that you can use to make money in the market. And you're going to want to watch to the complete end of the video because there's something at the end that you're going to be interested in. So we're going to start here with Twtr, and Twtr, we've got two main levels that I want to point out here. Alright, so we'll zoom in to the near term action. You can clearly see this is a level here right around just below $18, right around $17.90. You can see that we got a bounce from it several times right here, just above that level right there, just above that level, right here hitting that level, and then several days hitting this level right here, and again almost hitting it today. So that is a key, well-defined level of support here on Twtr. You can see that we've got a Bollinger Band squeeze right here. You can see the last time that we got a breakout of this Bollinger Band squeeze, how big it moved to the upside. Alright, so the same thing can happen to the downside or the upside here. So that Bollinger Band squeeze is key. The other thing I want to point out here is this main resistance above us right around 1950. You can see it was resistance here, and then we got rejected there, and then just recently right here. So that is the key level here for Twtr to break over in order to break higher. If we do break higher over that 1950 mark, and I mean a close over, not just a break over that level intraday, but a real close over that level, then we can go and potentially go as high as filling that gap up here near that $25 mark. So let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's still big time resistance above us, but if we do clear that, we can head much, much higher. Next one we're going to take a look at is Gpro. And Gpro did have a bounce today off of the lows, but if you look, we still closed below this support. So we closed below the support by a few cents, but still, we did close below it. You can see that the support is clearly at 825. See how many times we've gotten a bounce at it, and if you do some a little more detailed analysis like I do and look at all the opens and closes of all these candles, then you're going to see that 825 is that key level, and this is the lowest close that we've had, the lowest close and the lowest open compared to all these days right here. And we made this low breaking lower than this low right here, so we went into the gap. So if we break the highs of today, which was 832, then we potentially could see some kind of bounce. At least, I wouldn't really want to be short if we do break the highs there. But if we get a nice little gap down tomorrow, that's a lot of times what happens here on a setup like this, is you get a breakdown, and then you get this little bounce back, this last little attempt to hold this level, and then it just gaps down the next day and breaks down from there. So we'll see what happens, but you have the levels here, the highs of the day today, and then if it breaks the lows of today, you can pretty much consider this stock in breakdown mode. The next one we're going to take a look at is Tsla. And Tsla, really nice breakout of this box. You can see clearly we had resistance here. We broke over it right on this day. You can see the volume coming into Tsla right here is just beautiful. So it's exactly what you want to see. High volume on these breakouts. It's exactly what you want to see. So very nice action. If we do get any kind of consolidation lower, that's going to be a buying opportunity. And I do think that Tsla is going to head higher from here overall. Next one we're going to take a look at is Wynn. And Wynn had a nice little breakout over this resistance. You can see it was resistance several days right here, right there, right here, several days, the last 2 trading days, and then we broke over that today with some pretty decent volume as well, above the average, or about just above the average amount of volume. Again, that's exactly what you want to see on breakouts. So nice look on Wynn, and it should head higher from here. So now we have a limited time special offer that I'm going to give to you today. You've seen the results from watching these free analysis videos, and you're probably wondering, how can you get these same results that we get at the Trading Analyst? And that's a great question. Well, we've developed a program here at the Trading Analyst called the Membership Program, and it's designed specifically for people just like you. And in it, you have the ability to look over the shoulder of a successful and profitable trader. In the program, you can literally trade from anywhere because the alerts are sent in real time directly to your mobile phone via text message. In the program, you're also going to get full and complete access to the private Twitter feed where you can get live insights into the mind of a professional trader. The private Twitter feed is where you can ask me questions. It's where I share my thoughts and analysis and charts and everything in between. You're also going to gain exclusive access to the daily member-only videos. The learning never stops in the membership program. These daily member-only videos are nothing like the videos that we show to you on the public forums. These daily member-only videos discuss trade reviews, watch lists, educational material, and so much more. So you're probably wondering right now, what is the price? And that's a great question. Next week, the prices are going back up on the membership program to $249 for the monthly membership, or $899 per year for the annual membership. But right now, for this week only, we have a limited time special offer just for you, and you have 2 options. You can do the monthly membership for $74 a month, and you can lock in that low rate, and that's all you'll be paying. When the prices go up, you'll still be paying the $74 a month, that lower rate. Or, if you prefer, you can try out the membership for free for 7 days on the free 7-day trial for the annual membership. And you can cancel that free trial anytime within those 7 days, and you won't be charged anything. You decide to stick around at the end of the 7-day trial, you'll be billed $468 for the entire year of membership. And that ends up just being $39 a month, which is extremely low. That's about what people pay for their coffee at Starbucks. And this is something that's going to potentially make you thousands of dollars a day in the market. So now you're going to take a look at what some of the current members are saying about the membership. It's one thing to hear what I have to say about the membership program, and it's another to hear it from the mouths of people that are in the membership program right now. So this first one is from Ben Stevenson, and Ben says, the Trading Analyst membership program is exactly what I have been searching for. It's so exciting being able to say that I make money from the markets. I knew bits and pieces of information about options and trading, but nowhere did I find a membership program and an analyst as knowledgeable as Taylor is. This next one is from Chase Taylor. And Chase says, after jumping around from service to service, I finally found a home at the Trading Analyst with Taylor. He's amazing, and I feel so thankful that I stumbled upon his website. Everything happens for a reason, I guess. This last one is from Francisco Pinto. And Francisco says, I absolutely love the membership program so far. It's worth 10 times what I paid for it. I've been trying to turn a profit in the market for a while now and just couldn't do it. The Trading Analyst membership program was the very thing that I have to thank for turning my account profitable for the last 2 years. Thank you so much, Taylor. No, thank you, Francisco. So, Right now, you're probably wondering what the next steps are. Well, if you're watching this video on the website, below the video, there's a Join Now for Instant Access button. What you're going to do is click that button to get started, and you're going to get immediate access to the winning profitable trade alerts, the private Twitter feed, the daily member-only videos, and so much more. Remember, this is a limited time offer, and it ends in just a couple days, so you're going to want to sign up right now. We'll see you in the membership program.